So I'm back, feeling better. I figure I'll come on. I'm feeling better. Do a little cooking today with some tacos. So, let me get the stuff. Just out of the way. Making that. I'm stirring stuff. So we got to preheat the oven. So I got the shells. I actually have 2 boxes of shells. You see those? That's the sauce. I already got sour cream already, so you can't have tacos without this. Cannot. So let's I like to cut up a little onion first and put it in there. Put it in the skillet before I put the meat in. So let me do that. If I can find a knife, let me do that real quick. So yeah, man, my last video, I was talking about real fathers, real men, and I remember as a kid, I don't know if it was Tuesday or not. I was young, but I know every week, growing up, my mom would make tacos, but she would make it with the guacamole. I'm not doing that. I don't even have any avocado here, so I'm just cutting it up. Not a particular size, but just cutting it up. And anytime you cook, Daddy said this all the time, anytime you cook, clean as you go. So I'm making some water real quick after I do this. Some dish water. So I can wash dishes once I'm done. Sorry that this is in here, not that much, but soapy soap. Now I had a little bleach in my water. I don't know about you, but not a lot, a little bit. Like the cap full. So, my water not getting hot. My wooden spoon, stir. Starting to stick already. See that? And some people don't even I put my shit in the oven for like 5 minutes on both sides. Not on both sides, but like 5 minutes. Turn it on each side until I feel like they kind of brown a little bit. Some people don't do that. Some people just eat them like that. Take them out of the box and eat them like that. I don't. Anyhow, ground turkey is a lot leaner than ground beef. I guess you know that already. So, some people probably don't, but not as good. But it's healthier for you. Tacos is a good dish. It doesn't take that very long. It doesn't take very long to make. I don't know if I have. Let's see. I don't know if I have any taco seasoning. I think some comes in the box anyway already. Let me see. Nope, this shell seems like it's in here. Water off. There you go. No seasoning there. No ability to kid down there. And I kind of like cooking young turkey better because you don't got to worry about throwing all that excess fat off. So there's dishes in here. That's cooking. Yeah, man. When I had COVID, I had the chills. Like I was laying down, and I was cold. Like, dang, the hell, what's going on here? What's really going on? See, you can see the pink. I don't know if you can see it or not, but pretty much all you're doing is you never cooked tacos before. All you're pretty much doing, and I like to wait until Samuel's done. Then I put my pickles in there. You gotta have you some pickles. This is like cabbage. It's real spicy. It's called pickles. So get some of that. If you have some in your area, pickles. Usually you can find it at a Haitian restaurant. You have one in your area where you live. That's where I got this from. So I pretty much like maybe like a teaspoon. Put it in there. Maybe two teaspoons. Put that in there. Oven's ready. And I also add this to the tacos too, while they're cooking. So. I can cut it back up now. We're almost there. Let me see if I can find taco seasoning. Let me see. So if you're watching, and you got something you want me to cook or try to cook, then make sure you put it down in the comment section below. And I'll make it. If I can't make it, I have a sous chef make it. Oh boy. But yeah, that's a little pad. That's a little bit right there. I can't use that. Let's see. Got all kind of seasonings. See, we got all kind of seasonings here. Let me see if we got some more powder here. Oh, see. Yeah. There we go. Perfect. Put back in there. Back in there. I was talking to a lady today, right? And she was telling me that she was telling me about her husband, and he passed away from COVID and a couple of years ago, and now she's taking care of her, raising her daughter by herself. And I asked her, would she date? Would she let her daughter date? Because her daughter's 16. I said no. No, she's not dating, not allowing her daughter to date until she gets in college. Because while you're in high school, this is her opinion. While you're in high school, you tend to lose focus if you have a boyfriend. So she's not allowing her to have a boyfriend till she get to college. And I wonder what y'all think about that. This fajita mix. I was gonna put this fajita mix anyway. Can't really use that. What do you guys think about that? For those that are watching, put it down in the comment section below. So this is about ready. Let me add some of my other seasonings to this too. Before I put that in there. So you gotta put some. So this is me. Cayenne pepper. Put a little bit of sprinkle that, a little bit of that in there. Sorry, please don't make it hot too, but a little bit of that in there. Some of this. That in there. Black pepper. Little garlic. Little garlic. And, I think I got some minced garlic in here too. I'm gonna add that. Some minced garlic. Let's see where it is. Yeah, right here. Pour. Kind of too much, but there you go. Not a lot. Mix. Mix all around. And I'm gonna add my taco seasoning. And you know what? I'm not gonna put all of it. I'm gonna put half. There's not that much meat. Save this for next time. Then I'm gonna add this. Some of this, not all of it. Some of it. Stir. Well, might as well add all of it. Add some water to this jar here for the seasoning. Simmer. Let that simmer for a couple of minutes. While I'm doing that, while that's simmering, I'm gonna go ahead and put my taco over here in my pan. Wash it real quick. Wash it over again. Matter of fact, hold on, be right back. Be right back.